We've been steadily adding around 500 new COVID-19 cases per day for the past few weeks here in Colorado. So why are test sites closing down?
Denver 7's Ivan Rodriguez has more on how they're doing away with those large-scale testing sites to instead focus on community sites.
Only a few days remain until all lanes at the Pepsi Center close for COVID-19 testing. The future is the same for Aurora Sports Park. Mayor Kaufman tweeting last week, the COVID-19 testing site in Aurora will close October 5th. We had anticipated that we would be doing between 700 to 1,000 tests each day, but the average has been 178.
If they're only hitting 10 or 20% of capacity, it's not meeting the needs of the people as far as either convenience or even knowledge of it.
If nobody's really visiting it or they're not doing the numbers they need, then yeah, shut it down.
Then what does the future of testing look like? The state health department says cities are transitioning to mobile testing sites in certain communities, giving more people in some neighborhoods the ability to get tested where maybe they couldn't before.
Anytime that you've got a public service, especially in a time of pandemic like this, you've got to be able to make testing services available to people. Bringing it into the communities, now people can walk or ride a bicycle or come with a friend or whatever the case may be, but it is more accessible. Moving it closer in, I think, is a good thing.
Across the street from Brian Lape's home, Restoration Christian Fellowship Church in Aurora is one example of this push. Beginning in November, their parking lot will be used as a rapid mobile testing facility. Other sites in Denver and Aurora will already be operating every day.
I think a few will do because I think most people who have health insurance have the ability to go see their doctors to get testing.
For those who don't, an increase in accessibility could help paint a better picture of COVID-19 cases in Colorado. Ivan Rodriguez, Denver 7.